Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and I have 3 good deals to show you. One of them is from the Bushcraft trade post on Facebook. A lot of people are selling their kit off because either they don't have a job or they have too much kit, and a lot of good deals on there. And this first one here I found a really good deal on, £55 for a Pathfinder cook set. So let me show you that now. So I managed to pick up this set here. Now it came with a lid, and it's a handmade wildcrafts.co.uk lid, and this fits the mug here, so that was nice. It came with the spirit stove from Pathfinder. Again, Pathfinder stuff is bomb proof. I have a lot of it. And then it came with the Canteen. I was after Canteen set because I actually don't have a Canteen. But the whole idea was I could take this with me, and instead of bringing the whole my bushcraft bag with me. So if I want to go out for a day and just make some lunch with someone, I could do that. So I got the stove for the wood stove, and then I also have the nice cup, which I don't have one of these before, which that little handle bit here is quite nice. It's a good idea, that clever. So you could put that in the fire or whatever if you wanted to, or if it stop from tipping over. And you have a nice set. So I got all this here for £55. So I am happy with that. So I'll add that to my set. But now let's just move this to the side for now. That was the first one. The second items I got were these 2 pouches. Now this would make a really good fire kit. It is a box type. I seen this on Zed Outdoors, and I will post a link to that video in the description box below. But he had a man named David on there who makes these. These are all handmade, and a nice little box one. So basically, if you open it up, you know, you can still see what's inside of here. It doesn't automatically close. You know, it has zip pulls on both sides, which is really nice. Made in the UK, but this would make a really good fire kit, this one. And then this one here, again, that's my receipt for actually buying it. So the small one here, that was £13.50, and this one, the big one here, was £17.50. £13.50 one on his website, on the SD site. It has zip pouch, possibilities pouch, brew kit pouch, fire kit, small pouch. So that's what it's called on there, on his website. And the big one is called zip pouch, food pouch, clothes, tools, and more. And that's the large one. Okay, so again, $17.50, $13.50, and these 2 I did buy with my own money. It's David Friars shop. I shall put links up and logos or whatever I can do on that one, just to show off. But again, very smooth zips on this, and you can fill it up. As you can see, it is quite big, so you could get your your lunch packed out in there with stuff. And again, if you open it up, you can still see what you have in there without having it all closed up. So the box shape I do like. So that's the other one. Okay. And then this one here I picked up off eBay. Discipline Tactical. Again, there's my receipt, so I actually bought it. And this one was £12.95. The reason I bought this one is because I don't have a Canteen set, which I said already, so I don't have a pouch for this. My other Pathfinder one, I have a knockoff Condor pouch for that one. This one I seen because the Pathfinder one runs about £50, which is the price of the whole set. But this one here has a nice, very strong Velcro side pouch here. Same on the other side, and a nice little clip. On the back, it has the webbing. Let me just show you how it looks packed up. So I'm just taking the lid, putting the lid on the bottom, so that keeps its shape. And then I'm taking the kit, pop it in there on top of the lid, put over. I'll take these out because there, and then this just clips in there. So if you're after a budget-friendly pouch for a Canteen for your Pathfinder kit, this is a good call. Again, like I said, for nearly 13 pounds, it's a good deal. And then these just go back up into there, like so. So obviously you're not going to fit your stove in there. That'll be another thing. And if you're worried about the sides here, the Canteen's not gonna fall out. You could tighten this a little bit more if you wanted to, but that Canteen's not going anywhere, and the side showing don't mean anything. So, like I said, really nice buy for that one. I'm getting into more of these spirit stoves, mess stoves, instead of wood, because it's a bit more subtle. If I'm doing a lunch somewhere, or if I want to take a break somewhere, instead of trying to get wood, fire, smoke, all the rest of it, just use one of these. So that's what I'm leaning to more. So yeah, so that pretty good setup here. One more thing, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I was having a problem deciding which knife to use as my bushcraft knife. So as far as bushcraft knives, I was stuck between my Puko, the Mora Goldberg, and Brothers of Bushcraft one. And what I've decided to do is I took all three of them out, and I kept reflex-wise, like instinct-wise, which one I kept going for to use, and that's the one I picked. Tough choice, but at the end of the day, I picked my Tops Bob. It's just the handle's really nice, and because I took off the jimping on the top here, it's just so comfortable, and I can carve for a really long time without it hurting my fingers and everything. The Goldberg was a bit thinner, and then the Puko was thicker, so this is kind of like the middle thickness of those knives. But it's just, I don't know, I just seem to go for this knife more than any of the rest of them, so no point in carrying 3 knives and save the weight. But that's my bushcraft knife. If anyone's interested in that. But yeah, so I hope you guys like these nice deals I picked up. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Again, I'll put all the links I can in the description box below. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.